I like how all of us have gradually just closed our computer face. We're like, we're here. You don't need to see me.
We know each other.
Yeah. Okay, so here we are for quiz 20. Why doesn't everybody go ahead and open the quiz? So we have a few SPSS documents to open and the normal probability applet. And oh, we only get one freebie this week.
What do you mean, 1 5?
No, just one freebie because of usually we have two. The first two questions are we can answer.
Oh, just one.
Okay, so I will just go ahead and get started. Unless would you guys rather me read through the whole thing, or would you guys rather just say what you got and anybody who didn't do it can go back and redo it?
Sure. Oh.
So how about we just like say what we got, and then if someone didn't do it, we can all explain to each other how we did it.
Perfect.
That sounds good. I was able to get through some of it before my internet shut down. I did like 12 questions, so
Okay.
that's
cool.
it. So I'll be there for a little bit of it.
Let's go ahead and get started. So I shouldn't read the whole paragraph. We'll just kind of say what we got.
Nah, I think we know the questions.
Okay. Okay, so what did you guys get for question 2?
I got test of 2 proportions.
Yeah, that's what I got. But I was telling Laura before you guys were all here, this is something that I need to work on, but.
Me too. I always struggle on the questions where it asks what kind of test. I'm always at a loss for which one it is when there's so many listed.
Yeah,
What'd you guys say you got for your answer on 2?
The 2 proportions. What about you?
Okay, that makes sense. I was doing the independent T-sample test, but it does not make sense. I don't know what I was thinking.
See, one clue that I like when I read something like, so one set of data compared educational, so that's categorical. So they compared high school, undergraduate degrees, master's degree. So it's not, so there's no quantitative data here.
Yeah, that makes sense. I just wasn't thinking about
Yeah, that does make sense.
I don't know why.
That just helped me for the future too, of like, oh, okay.
Because cognitive, what is the word? It's not cognitive. Categorical data is always the proportions.
Yeah.
Okay, and same with chi-square. Everything else is numbers.
Mm-hmm. That's what, yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
That's
helpful.
I do remember learning
Yeah,
that.
for proportions, you never use T statistics of any kind.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So that's
I
another
just get them all
clue.
confused. That's my problem. I just confuse them all.
Me too.
Yeah, I need to probably just go through and like write them all down for my page. Okay. Question 3, what did you guys get?
I got 2 proportions and independent. I couldn't decide which because I didn't understand it. So
I got independent sample t-test.
yeah, that was one of mine.
So yeah, we can use.
Yeah, that was one of my guesses too.
Okay.
So this one is independent sample t-test because it reported the number of employees in the 2 groups. And it doesn't give, it's 2 groups, so it can't be the 1 sample t-test. And it's not paired, so it has to be independent sample because independent sample is still more than 1.
Yeah, and they don't. The results of group 1 don't matter what the group.
Yeah.
What makes us use an ANOVA test again? That one has to have like 3 things,
Yeah,
or
if it's
more.
more than 2. If it's more than
Okay.
2.
Yeah, I thought it was 2 or more.
Yeah.
Is it 3 or
Well,
more?
I thought it was 3. ANOVA.
Yeah, it's 3 samples. If you
It's 3.
If we go to the videos for last week, I think it was, they have a very nice diagram with the quantitative, categorical, and all the, so for quantitative, they have 1 sample, 2 sample, and 3 sample is ANOVA. Well, I could probably take a picture and send it to you guys.
That would be great.
Really
I'll
cool.
look for it, but that's like on my list of things to work on.
Yeah, so it gets
Yeah, me too.
easier.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay.
Number 4. Was it one proportion?
I got that
I
one.
put one proportion.
Yeah.
Yeah, test of one proportion.
Yay, I got one right.
Yay! The number 5.
I got independent sample t-test.
Yeah.
That makes more sense. I put one sample, but I was like, that doesn't make sense.
And I'm writing these down just on my paper so that if we have to go back and retake it, I can just call it out and we can fill it in.
Oh, good.
Okay,
Good call.
Okay, that works.
But and you guys probably all have it written out for your test. So. Okay, question 6.
I got independent too. Independent
Yeah,
That's what
I
did
got
too.
sample independent T.
Mhm.
That is not what I got, but that makes more sense.
Yeah, it's just when there's more than one and it's not paired, it's independent. So.
So like, that's what I don't understand. Like for that one,
For independent,
why wouldn't it be ANOVA? But even though ANOVA's not on there, that's what I thought when I was first reading it. I was like, oh.
there's 2 appraisers, so they're looking at the 2 appraisers' scoring or stuff on it. They're not looking at the 6 properties. They're looking at the 2 appraisers' stuff.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
I was
That's where it
thinking
gets tricky.
properties. They were okay. Sounds good. Okay, question 7. What did you guys get?
I got 2 proportions. Confidence interval.
I put 2 proportions too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I put.
I didn't put that, but that makes more sense.
Okay, question 8.
I got paired.
Paired. Oh yeah, because they do have the measurement, don't they? Okay.
Yeah, they're
And it's the
comparing.
That makes more
And
sense
it's
than what
it's
I
the
put.
same. It's not the same Oreo. But I guess they're
But
using.
they're comparing it to the filling amount in regular Oreos.
I guess I don't know. I just thought that paired was when you just say, "Oh, this," and then you use the same. Like if you tested a rat and then you tested the same rat again. But maybe I'm wrong.
Oh, now you got me thinking.
Sorry.
I know, me too. I'm like,
So
Because
should
you
we
had,
just hold that one?
so is it paired or is it independent?
Um. Compare it to the filling amount in regular Oreos. Because I remember the paired being like the sibling. Do you remember the sibling one? That was really confusing.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You remember the sibling? It was a different person, but it was only with them together. But the problem is,
work
True.
with
does
marriage.
every Oreo have a pair? It doesn't really have a pair double
Right.
stuffed Oreo. So
Right.
that's why I'm like, I can't tell.
I feel like there should be a dependent option. Because it's like,
So paired
you still have to have
isn't paired
that kind of Oreo.
and independent are the same thing, right?
You're probably right.
They're different. Paired is when I think paired is when there's more same thing. Independent is
No,
independent. I
I'm
don't know.
saying paired and dependent are the same thing.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Or could it be just one sample T confidence? Because they want to
But
compare it
there's
to
two
the.
samples.
Both of them though.
Because you've got the regular and you've got the double stuffed.
Wait. It doesn't say you measured the amount in single stuff Oreos, does it?
Right. No, it doesn't. You take a sample of 55 double stuffed Oreo cookies and measure the amount of filling in each one to estimate.
So you didn't touch the double. You didn't
Amount.
touch the regular.
Right.
But it
says-
says to compare it to the filling amount in regular Oreos. So it's like you've already done the test on the regular Oreos.
I don't know.
Oh.
It's so. Now we have like 3 guys. This is hard. Should we come back to it?
Yeah,
that's
but I
good.
think she's right to say like that sentence that says you need to construct a confidence interval to estimate the true mean filling amount of double stuffed Oreos in order to compare it to the filling amount.
Yeah, so it might be one sample, but let's come back to it.
Come back.
Or should we just say one sample? I don't know. It makes sense that it's one sample.
We'll come back.
But, okay, let's come back. 9.
I got A for 9 and 10, but I don't know the difference really. 'Cause
I
know
got
that
C.
E. I put C too.
Yeah.
Which of the
So
following
wait,
best defines the
they're
notion of
different in the-
significance level? Significance level. Because p-value is definitely the probability of observing that one. That one's C.
Yeah. I was
Yeah,
confused
that
with
one.
both of them.
But I think 9 is the other one. I think it's C on both of them.
On both?
See,
Oh,
they're
yeah.
different on the quiz and the homework. So which
Yeah.
option are you referring to?
The probability of rejecting the null.
Isn't it the probability of the type 1 error though?
Best defines the notion of the significance level of a hypothesis test. The type 1 and type 2 come after the hypothesis test. Right?
I can't
Maybe.
remember.
Because type 1 error is when you reject the null, but it was actually correct. Type 2 error is when you keep the null when it's
And you
not
have-
correct.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right.
So
You're probably right. It's probably the rejecting
I
the
don't-
null,
I-
whether it's true or not.
I can't. That's the one I think it is, but I don't know. I've been wrong on a lot of other ones, so.
Yeah, but let's go with that one.
So for
think
9,
that's probably right.
9, we're going with the probability of rejecting the null, whether it's true or not.
Yeah, and then
Right.
10, I think it's the probability of observing a sample statistic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I put
Definitely
too.
that one is different.
Okay, cool. The long paragraph thing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And this one, 11, always gets me. I think it's the 95% of all 95%, but like every time I do this, I feel like I put a different answer and it's wrong.
I think it's there is a 95% chance one.
Yeah, for me, it's either A or D because I'm not sure if it's a sample mean we're looking for or the true mean. Oh, we're 95%.
It's asking for the confidence interval.
Oh, so I think it's D.
And so then,
So there's a
I
chance.
guess, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I thought that in these that we don't like the word chance isn't usually the right answer, but let's see.
Usually it says confidence right there, but none of the other options sound like that one.
See, that's why I thought it was the 95% of all 95%.
That's what I thought. I put B,
Really?
but I don't know.
Yeah, this is the one I'm confused with because the way they word it is different in the test than it is in the review. Because I remember coming up on the test, I'm like, wait, this is different. I'm like, no. So I don't remember what it is.
You've been told reports by saying something like we are 95% confident exactly what to say.
Because they all
I'm
say
gonna,
wrong.
I'm gonna put B, but you guys can put
Why don't we all pick one since we're 4, and one of us is bound to have it right?
yeah, seriously. We could do that on question 8 too.
I know that C is not the answer for this one.
You know that what?
That C is not the answer for this one.
Okay.
Yeah, C is not the answer. And I doubt. Oh, that one might be it too. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with B, but I don't know.
So Lydia, you thought it was D, right? D
I'll
is
do
in
D.
Can we just do B and D? Because I think we all agree it's either B or D.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put a slash on question 11. Do you guys want to do the same thing for question 8 or no?
Oh, we have more choices there.
Oh, we do. Yeah.
We have-
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll come back to 8.
We'll just keep going. Yeah, we'll come back.
Okay. Question 12.
I got 0.30.
Me too.
Yeah, that's right.
Cool. Nice and easy.
Yay.
Then 13.458.
I got
Yep.
0.046. Let me see.
Oh, you rounded, didn't you? Maybe. I don't know.
What
Because
did
there
you
was
get?
an answer. 0.458. Because 0.456 was an option, but I just didn't
I
round.
I rounded it, yeah.
I got
'cause
0.046.
Oh, really?
0.046, yeah, 0.046.
You guys use the Excel thing, right? We use the
I
Excel.
just used the equation.
Oh,
Yes,
I just
for one proportion, yeah.
use the Excel
I
sheet.
just used the equation.
Actually, no, I did use the equation, didn't I? Because it was the standard deviation is the square root of p times 1 minus p over n.
Yep.
And that is 0.3, right? So it'd be 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3. All under, divided by n, which is what?
100.
100. Take the square root. I see now. Okay, cool. I get it.
0.046.
I just missed the 0.
Well, that was at least got that. Okay. Question 14 was the probability.
Oh wait, I forgot that one.
I
I
got
forgot how to do that.
0.876.
Oh yeah, that's what I guessed, but I don't know if I'm right. I guessed that one because it made sense.
Lydia, do you remember how you did that one?
Yeah, I just used the Excel for one proportion.
Okay.
Yeah, I used the Excel, but it wasn't working. What are we looking for? The
What do
p-value?
we put in there?
So in X you put 30, N 100. And I just left the 95
What do you
confidence.
put for the null?
What do you put for the other one?
I
You just put
I put-
0.30?
Yeah, but then for the next question I put 0.25 for number 14.
So did you put it as not equal to for the type of test?
Less
Wait.
than.
Did you just
it's
do the
less
same thing for both?
No, I didn't put for number 14. It's telling you what is the probability that your random sample of 100 adults will have a sample proportion less than 0.25.
Yep.
So then on the type of test, less than.
So then which answer is the one that we're looking for?
The less than.
What did you put in for the X1 and N1 thing?
No, because you're using for one proportion. So there's only one X and one N.
Yeah, so go to the back and the bottom.
So for X, you put 30 and N 100.
And then which one is our answer though?
0.8.
Like what answer are we looking for?
The probability. I used p-value, but I
Yeah,
might be
because if you
wrong.
use the p-value, then you can get to that point.
So isn't it 0.5 then?
But that's not one of the answers, though. See, I just plugged in 0.25 and got the z-score and just plugged it in. But it didn't work. It didn't give me the right answer.
Isn't it 0.876 then?
That's what I got, and that's one of the answers.
How'd you guys do that? I don't have the Excel thing.
I just did it in the Excel thing just now, like she said.
Well, where did you get that Excel thing?
You can find it in textbook, lesson 18 or 19.
Yeah, remember that's the one we brought up.
Yeah, I used the 2 probability one, but I never got the 1 probability one.
There's a tab on the bottom of it, so you can. It has the 1 and the 2 proportion one on it.
Ah, I see it. Aha. Cool. Now I get it. Wait a second. No, I don't. Confidence level was 25. Null was what? There's no. Do we need to change the null one?
0.25.
The null is to 0.25 as well?
Well, I'm not sure if that's what they're
Oh, yeah,
asking.
it is. It is. Good, good, good. Got it. Got it. Well, that's helpful. Whew. Holy questions. All right, let's
There's
keep
so
going. I know there's a ton. Margin of error. I got,
So is this the one where we would put it in the 2 proportion one then?
Yeah.
I got 0.016. That's right. For the margin of error. Whoops, wait, that's a lie. No, yes it is. That's true. Did that, what'd you get, Lydia?
I'm sorry, I didn't do that one. So let me just
Okay.
do that
Right
one.
now as well.
So did you do 0.029 minus negative 0.003?
Divide by 2?
Yeah.
0.016. Is that what you guys got?
I'm working right now. 0.0305. No, I must have done it wrong. Let me do it again. Point 016?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Then 16 was negative 0.003. And then 17 was 0.029.
Yeah.
And 18, I got A.
Yeah, I got that too.
Is it the same option on the?
No,
Quiz as
it's
it is in
the
homework?
null P1 equals P2, alternative P1 don't equal P2.
Okay, yeah, that's what I put on the.
And 19, I got 1.458. Where did I get that
Yeah.
from? Oh, yeah.
That's what I got. Bless you.
P-value 0.145.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys want to slow down and talk about any of these, let me know.
I just haven't put any of them in the Excel thing, so
Yeah, you just stick it in the Excel
it'd
thing.
just take me a while, and I'd slow everyone down.
21, I got no. I failed to reject the null.
So that's the last one, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Well,
F.
On the quiz, yes. Okay, this one I haven't done yet. It's in my statistics thing. I will start doing it. I will wait my things now. Do, do,
Oh,
do.
this is the one that you have to put it in SPSS. Right?
Yeah, I'm almost done. I just
If-
have to analyze it. Do, 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 do,
If you
do.
just use chi-square, it'll be a lot easier.
To do what?
And you
Huh?
like if you use, you remember that sheet for one proportion, two proportions, and then the following one is chi-square.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now.
Oh, so you're using the Excel spreadsheet?
I'm using SPSS.
Oh,
I
okay.
already plugged it in and it's going.
Oh, okay.
And my test statistic is it the chi-score, which is the test statistic? Right? So I
I
got
think so, yeah.
6.579.
Oh,
6.579.
I got 6.58. Is that?
It's just rounded. Mine's 579. If your Excel
Oh
sheet,
yes,
if you
I have the same 5, but I rounded it. Yeah, 6.579. Yeah, that's what I got.
then the p-value looks like it is 0.087.
Yeah.
0.87.
My computer's stuck.
0.087.
Trying to open SPSS. Okay, so what was the test statistic?
6.579.
And the p-value?
0.087. Should we reject? Yes. No, we should
But
not.
no. Mm-hmm.
No, we should not. Yes. Letter D. No, the p-value is greater than 0.05. What can you conclude based on your results? We have insufficient evidence to say that it is independent. Wait,
that
that
is
is
not.
not independent. So D,
So the last one.
the last
Yeah.
one, yeah. Alrighty, 26. Oh, dang. Lower bound. So is this the same? This is a different question.
Yeah.
Let me look. I can read it. A recent book noted that only 20% of all investment managers outperform the Dow Jones Industrial Average over a 5-year period. A random sample of 200 investment managers that had graduated from one of the top 10 business programs in the country were followed over a 5-year period. 50 of these outperformed of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let P be the true proportion of investment managers who graduated from one of the top 10 business programs who outperformed the Dow Jones over a 5-year period. So there's 50 out of 200, right?
Yeah.
So we would do 50 divided by 200 to get the p hat. And then what we want?
We want the confidence, create a 95% confidence interval of P and the lower and upper bound.
Dang it. I don't remember how the equation is for this one.
Don't you just put it in the one proportion thing?
Oh, we can.
That's what I just did.
Good idea. Wrong one. Come here. So
So
you
under
put
the
in
null one, do we just put 0.25?
you put the same thing. So you put the same number. So I think you put 0.95. And is it less than? Let's see. Oh, outperformed over a 5-year period. So does that mean greater than?
Greater I think it's greater than.
Cool. I have lower bound of 0.190
Yeah, that's
Me
what I
too.
got.
Yeah.
and upper bound of 0.310.
Yeah.
And then we want to know the sample size. And this we will need the formula, which is just z-score over margin of error squared.
Actually, it would be, since we have a prior estimate of P.
Yeah, we need to add that to it too. I was just saying the beginning part.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Z-score would be 1.96 then, divided by margin of error of 0.02 squared, all times P times the 1 minus P. So it would be 0.2 times 1 minus 0.2. I got 1536.64. Does that sound normal?
I got 2,401.
What did you say?
1536.64. That's what I got. But I might be wrong.
Is that one of the options? Let's see.
I got 15.3664. It's like a different decimal. I don't know which one's right.
Let me go look. 20. What number is it?
24?
24? Well, I got B, the 1537 technically, which is one of the answers.
What was the exact number you got in the?
1536.64.
Okay.
I basically took 1.96 divided by 0.02. Then I squared it. Then I
Isn't it
it's not-
just 0.2?
It's 0.2.
It's just 0.2.
Oh yeah, sorry. I meant 0.2. Sorry. Wait, no, it's 0.02 for the percent margin of error. If you move the decimal place 2 spaces, because 2%.
Oh, it is margin of error, not that P.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was talking margin. Sorry. So
I was looking at the
1.96
other
divided by
0.2 that's right there.
0.02. Then I squared that and got 9,604, and I multiplied that by the P times 1 minus P. And I got 1536.64. Which looks right, but I don't know.
I don't remember in what chapter it was. They gave us the formula for prior estimate of P, and the formula is.
Yeah, I have it right here. It's
Isn't it 1.96 divided by 2 times 0.02?
that's
then
for
square?
M. We're looking for N. But I think all N's need to be a whole number anyway, so I think it's 1537.
What we're looking at is lesson 17 in case anybody's looking for it.
Oh, 17.
I just looked in the review.
Well,
So I got 1536.64. Is that what you got, Laura?
Yeah, but I think it might just be 6-7 because you need a whole number N. I think.
Oh yeah,
We can determine.
1537.
I think so. It says if there's no prior estimate for P, then you would just do Z over 2M squared.
Oh, yeah, that's the one I used.
But the prior estimate, we included the P's. And I'm not sure, I think we rounded up to the whole number. So I think it's just
So,
1,537.
yeah, because it's the sample size.
So 1,537.
Yeah.
Okay.
29.
A, B, C, D, E. I got
Forms
E.
better than other investment managers. So you want greater than the null. That's what the alternative would be. So is it D?
E.
E. A, B, C, D. Yeah, E. Yes. E.
Yeah.
Cool.
And 30, I got A.
I did too.
Yep.
31.
I got 1.7.
Wait, what number are we doing this from? The previous question? From number 28, are we using that information, or what information are we using to find this?
I'm guessing it's 28.
Yeah, where it says.
Because I didn't do this one, so I'm just wondering what type of test you did. The proportion? Oh.
Are we still using? Yeah. So on top of questions 26, we have that the information. 50 of these outperform the Dow Jones. So we're supposed to answer the next 8 questions. 1, 2,
Right.
3, 4, 5.
So what did you guys get for this one?
I got 1.768.
I did not get that.
Yeah.
Using the one sample Excel sheet?
Yeah.
Are we using greater than?
Are we still putting 0.25 as the null?
I have
For some
0.95.
reason- What do you have? No?
So I need to put 0.2 for the null?
You put 0.2 as the null and not 0.25?
Does that sound normal?
I'm confused.
1.768?
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Okay. Then 32 would be 0.039. Right?
0.039, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is mine really echoey?
Yeah, it's really echoey.
Not for me.
33. Fail to reject.
Actually, we reject.
Wait, what's the?
P-value is greater. Or is less than.
0.05 is
0.05?
Yeah.
0.1 is bigger though. Oh wait, sorry. I was looking at
No,
this one.
it's 0.05.
Yeah, sorry. Looking at the wrong number.
So it's the last option, right?
I got A.
I got A. Yes, I rejected them.
Okay, yeah. I just read the question wrong.
Oh, we need SPSS.
You guys were almost there. And by almost there, I mean almost done with the semester.
Yes. Can't wait.
Yeah, and then to start another one.
But at least biostatistics won't be in there.
True.
I have harder statistics to do.
Oh no.
That's your choice.
Yep. All right, blues. What did it say about blues? Blue scores? BLEU.
Uh-huh.
I think we've used this before.
I think so too. Okay, so this.
So we are doing a one sample t-test? Or am I wrong? I haven't actually read them.
Oh, yeah, I did one. 99.
So we do. I forgot to do this.
I know.
Analyze, compare means, one sample t.
What's our test value?
I put 0.
Okay.
Isn't it supposed to be how many there are?
I think it's what the mean is. Or what they think the mean is. I don't know.
I'm gonna look it up.
Did you get 0.28 Lydia?
Yeah. Mhm. I'm not sure if I put the right number on the, what is it called?
I think it would say test value.
On the test value, yeah.
I thought I remember it just being how many there were.
Like the N? Wouldn't they just put samples in? I thought
Maybe,
test
I'm not
value
sure. I'm trying to look it up.
might be 0.295. The mean. That was complicated. You guys can hear the echo.
Yes.
I can't.
That's awkward. My speaker is really strong. I gotta stop breathing.
So just based off of numbers, like when you do the 0.295 as the test value, the lower and upper look a little weird.
Oh.
This says the null hypothesis will state that U is equal to some number. Enter that number as the test value. So our null hypothesis is the test value.
And our null is mean.
Where did you read that? Just so I can write that down.
This is in. Hold on, I gotta go back to it.
Sorry.
It's in lesson 11 under the SPSS instructions.
Wow. Good job.
So the test value is the null. So does that mean we use the mean, or do we use 0? Because it's technically equal to 0. So I thought for one sample t-test, we wouldn't use the zero. No.
I'm inclined to think that we use the 0 just because the numbers look better to me. But
Yeah.
I don't know.
In this one, it's showing, to state the null and alternative hypothesis, and it's showing it as the null. Like, it doesn't have 0 as the null listed in this lesson.
Okay. So we're going to put 2
So it's your mean.
So the lower, so we're doing it based off 0. So the lower would be 0.282. Is that what you guys think?
Yeah.
And the upper is 0.293.
I was kind of suspicious for the t-value because it's 109.091. So I don't know if that's normal number. Because we usually get like 1 point something or 2 point something or even 3 point something
Oh, okay.
for the t-value.
Maybe not.
I just don't think 0 is supposed to be on there.
Okay, that's a good inkling. So what do you think we should put on
Just by
there?
looking at this lesson, it's showing that your mean goes in that box. And on our
So do you think we should put 0.295 in the test value?
maybe. I'm not positive though. I don't want to make you guys put the wrong answer.
No, I'm just curious to see.
I tried it. We get -0.013, and then the upper is 0.002, and the t is -2.806. If you caught it.
What did you get for t? Negative 2.
-2.803.
Oh yeah.
Does that look more reasonable to everyone?
It does to me.
Might be, yeah.
Because that means that the confidence interval, they're both negative.
Well, we've had both negative confidence intervals before.
Yeah.
Okay. So I
don't
have
know.
Do you guys
is -0.013.
1.3.
Yes. Then upper is -0.003.
I guess all we do is try it, and if it's not right, we try it the other way next time.
Right.
What did I say that I got negative?
.002.
Okay.
Do you guys want me to put the first numbers and you guys put those, or do you guys want to just?
Let's do it.
Okay, I'll do the one as if it was 0. So I'll do. And bless you.
So the p-value. 0.006.
For the
38.
degrees of freedom.
No, for 38.
Yes, 0.006.
Okay.
Value. Wait. Degrees of freedom was the other one.
Yeah.
90.
Okay, real quick. Sorry, because do you guys want me to be doing the as if it were the other way? So, like you guys are doing it with the 0.295 as the mean. So for the degrees of freedom for that one, let me
It's
just.
the same.
It should be the same, yeah. So 99 for 36. Sorry, you guys were cutting out if I'm repeating everything you're saying. Must have been my computer. Okay, 37, input the test statistic.
Negative 2.803. P-value is 0.006. Oh, we're so close to being done. All right. 39. Everyone ready for 39?
I got D.
Yeah.
Really,
Yeah,
it's gonna have us open another one.
Wait. Is this from the previous numbers? Dang it. Oh yeah, because we didn't. We rejected though. If we rejected, we wouldn't be able to say this, would we?
Which one are you talking about? 39?
Yeah. If we reject, that means we have sufficient evidence to say that the true mean is different,
Oh,
which is C.
C. Yeah. Good catch.
Okay. I was just making sure I wasn't crazy.
Thanks for double checking that.
Yeah.
So we're
I was
going
like,
with C instead.
yeah.
Insufficient evidence to say that the true mean is different.
If we reject, right? We rejected. So that means there is sufficient evidence to say that it is not equal.
So it's
A.
So it's A.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's A. Sorry, that was.
You have sufficient. Yeah. So it's A. Yeah.
All right, we need AM, PM heights.
We've also done this one before.
Cool.
Which kind of test are we gonna run this time then?
We shall do it independent again.
I did pair.
Yeah.
It's paired.
If the children are taller in the morning than in the evening. So
Yeah. So we go to compare means, paired sample t-test. AM is the first one, and then PM is the second. Okay. I got. Wait a second. What does it ask? Lower bound. I got 8.7.
Go to Explore or whatever.
Yeah, that's what I got.
8.727.
2.8. Let's see.
Yeah.
8.728.
Yep.
I thought that on these ones we couldn't use that confidence interval and we had to do Explore or something.
Oh, maybe. Maybe the Explorer. I remember using Explorer.
I remember that
I'll
too,
try.
except when I put it in, it didn't work.
We need the dependent list and the factor list. I don't remember which one's which. Dang it. Wait a second. Dependent means it depends on the student. Factor list is the height. Okay. There. Whoa. It freaks me out. It's saying there's a bunch of warnings.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably.
I don't think it's right. We'll just use the other one.
I don't think so. Let's use the other one.
because it doesn't like. Okay, so 8.2728 and 10.455.
Yeah.
Okay. Then input test statistics. I got. Uh-oh.
It's big, huh?
Oh, there it is.
22.46.
Yep.
These
2.4.
numbers just seem so huge.
It's true. I don't know why. Maybe we'll have them all wrong and have to do it again. Degrees of freedom was 99.
40, actually.
Oh, 40.
40.
I was thinking the other one.
Looking at the last one, probably.
There's only 40? P-value is
I got 0.
Yeah.
so we are rejecting. That means there is sufficient evidence that they are not the same. Wait.
So it's B.
Well, it's either B or C. I think it's C. Because when you reject, it always means sufficient. When you don't reject, it means it's not sufficient. Okay, so let's go back to.
Will you guys tell me what you got for 37 and 38?
Yes. 37 was negative 2.803.
And 38 was 0.006?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
And then we're going back to in 11, right?
Yeah. Well, 11, we had decided that we would split it, I thought, but we can
Okay.
go-
Yeah. Let's do that.
So I'm doing D.
For 11, I'm doing
B on mine.
B as in boy.
Yeah. Okay, number 8. This is the Oreo one that they tested the double stuff, but they don't say anything about the regular. So I think it's the single.
Yeah, I
The
kind
one
of think
sample.
that too, because they're not talking about constructing a confidence interval for the regulars. They're just talking about constructing a confidence interval for double stuffed
Yeah.
to compare.
So let's do B.
Let's do that one. Yeah.
If anybody feels differently, feel free to put it and see if they want to, like, don't feel like you have to put it, because I'm guessing we're going to have to take this again to kind of alter some answers, maybe. Hopefully not, but maybe.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. I will submit it.
okay.
Do.
I can submit it too.
I got a couple zeros, more zeros, lots of zeros.
I got 79.
I got an 81. So the only one I got wrong, well, ones, 34 and 35.
Okay, so I'll tell you if mine were right with the, because I did the
I think
The
we all
one
got
with the
34 and
zero.
35.
no, because I did it differently, remember?
Oh, did you get it right?
So I got 34 and 35 right. That was with a test statistic as 0.
Oh.
Okay.
So
And then everything else.
I got 14 wrong.
okay,
I
let's
got
see.
14 wrong as well.
And
We might
11.
just have to go through and like fix everybody's.
Totally. So
Um,
11 I got right, so 11 is B.
Yeah,
I can't get it to let me open it again.
Okay, why don't we start from the beginning?
Yes.
I got number 2 wrong.
and I got 9.
I'm trying to get it to let me open Island again.
Okay, don't worry, we'll wait for you.
So I can take the quiz again.
And
I got
6
3 wrong also.
And I got 6 wrong. And I got 5 wrong. And
So those beginning ones, I'm telling you, those ones kill me.
3 we got wrong. 2 we got wrong. Cool. Can we open another quiz and keep this old one open?
Oh, maybe, yeah, try that. That should be.
I'm
You can, yeah.
cool. Then I can just copy it over.
Yeah.
Nice and convenient.
So what killed us was those beginning ones, which
Yeah.
have been killing me since the beginning.
I know, I struggle with those.
So yeah, you guys, we got everything, pretty much everything right except for those beginning ones, and then 9 and 14. Does anybody want to go through and just make sure that they got everything right?
Does someone want to just read them off?
Yeah, I can, but
I can read them as I go.
okay.
Number 2 we'll skip. 3 we'll skip. 4 was
1 proportion.
1. Yep, test of 1 proportion.
5 I
5
got
we got wrong. 6 we got wrong. 7 was confidence interval for 2 proportions. That was 7. 8 was 1 sample T. 9 we got wrong. 10 was C. 11 was 95 of 90.
Yeah, 11's B.
12 is 0.3.
So 9 we got it wrong. Right?
Yes.
I skipped 9.
Oh, okay.
So 13 is 0.046. 14 is 0.876. Wait, that's wrong.
14 is wrong.
Yeah.
So who got 11 right?
We did, it's B as in boy.
B, okay.
15 is 0.016. 16 is negative 0.003. 17 is 0.029.
Hold on.
18 Sorry.
Yeah, you go.
Okay,
Right.
what's 16?
16 is negative 0.003. Are you guys at 17 or?
Yeah.
Okay. 0.029. 18 is A. 19 is 1.458. 20 is 0.145. 21 is F. No, failed to reject. So the last one. 22 is 6.579. 23 is 0.087. 24 is D, as in dog. 25 is D, as in dog. 26 is 0.190. 27 is 0.310. 28 is 1537. 29 is E, so the second to last one. 30 is A. 31 is 1.768. 32 is 0.039. How's it going?
Good.
Good. 30, okay. 33 is A. 34 is
Your answer.
0.282. 35 is 0.293.
Oh, can you repeat those? 34?
Yeah. 34 is 0.282. 35 is 0.293. 36 is 99. 37 is negative 2.803. 38 is it 0.006?
Yep.
My decimal was gone, but I imagine that's what it was. 39 is A. 40 is 8.728. 41, 10.455. 42, 22.446. 43 is 40. 44 is 0. And 45 is C.
Cool. Let's go back to the beginning. Actually, let's go to 14.
What's 15 again?
15 is 0.016.
Okay, I did have it right.
So for 14, what is the probability that a random sample of 100 adults will have the same proportion less than the 0.25? We all got that one from the Excel. Maybe we plugged in something wrong. Oh, is it like how do I explain this? Same proportion, less than 0.25. My brain is shutting down.
I know. I'm getting to that point too.
100 adults. Proportion of those in town invested in the stock market. Assume the unknown population proportion of percentage of people in the town is 30%. So, what about the people less than 25%? They give us a standard deviation. We found our standard deviation to be 0.046. So,
Do we just put it in the probability applet and do the left side?
I think so.
Yeah.
But then you get a negative 0.674. Is that what? Which was not one of the answers.
Well,
This was 13.
Oh, no.
Anyone have any other questions?
nope.
How about we go to the other ones? Come back to this later.
So 9.
9.
So we put C.
Maybe I was wrong. Which one of the following best defines the notion of significance level of a hypothesis? So is it A as well?
I got 14.
Significance level. That's type 1. You were right, Katie. That was you were right. Because as the significance level goes up, type 1 error is affected. That's what it is.
So B.
I think it's B.
Katie, did you
Lydia,
say
did you get that?
For two?
For 9.
Oh. Let's see.
For 9, what did we say we got?
B as in boy. Katie,
Okay.
what did you say you got for 14?
I got 0.124.
Did you just get that right now?
Yeah, I took 1.155 and put it just in probability applet in the left side and just shaded the left side.
1.5?
0.124.
What did you plug into the applet?
I just took the z-score from the Excel document, 1.155, and then I just shaded the left side and it gave me 0.124,
Okay,
which was one of the options on the homework assignment.
let's do that.
I don't know if it's right, but it was an option on there, so maybe it is.
Yeah, that sounds right.
It sounds right. Better than what any of us have done.
Yeah.
All right, 6.
These are so tricky.
So what did we put here? Did we do independent or did we do two proportions?
For which number?
6.
6, we did independent.
So maybe it's two proportions. But I might be wrong.
That's what I originally put in my homework assignment.
So 6 properties recently valued. I guess it could be proportions. Or would it be paired sample?
It's probably paired sample.
Because they're using the same information. There's just 2 equations. Possibly.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking is the paired one.
Let's try that.
For 5?
Yeah, for 6.
Oh, for 6. I thought, okay.
Paired samples. Then 5. Oh, this might be cheating. What did we put for 5?
5, we put independent.
Because they're 2 different blocks. 2 different people. Which way's better? The left side or the right side? Is that like a cheat thing? Or is it independent from the other one? I guess it's not asking independent. So it's either paired sample or cheat. Actually, it might be 2 proportions. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Lydia, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just trying to figure out.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I didn't lose you.
Everyone put independent samples?
I did.
Yeah.
It's either cheat, 2 proportions, or paired. Is time quantitative or categorical?
I think it's categorical. Because you don't add.
So would it be S portions? That seems like the only other reasonable one. Anyone have any thoughts?
I'm going to look up it in the textbook.
It's either paired or test or proportions.
Yeah.
Let's see, it was the same 25 students that tried it, right? That tried both blocks.
It was.
It was the same 25 students that tried both of the blocks.
Maybe
Yeah, so you're
But one doesn't affect the other. Is it?
Yeah, I think it's paired then. Cool. Number 3.
Number 3?
Yep.
Oh,
This looks more like the chi test. But it's just 2.
but there's 2. 40-year-old.
But they had it into age and also who was fired from each of them. Or treated equally, whatever. Terminated.
Yeah.
So would that be
So
T?
would that might be T.
That sounds more like a T.
Like paired?
Like chi squared. Chi squared, however you pronounce it.
Yeah, I feel like it's that too because it's dividing it into the categories that are affecting how you analyze that data.
It makes more sense that it's chi. I think we should go with that.
Okay.
What, B?
Let's go to 2.
No.
Chi.
Chi. So it's the last one. Bottom one.
But if you feel like you have a different one, like none of us are very sure on these, so if you guys feel like you have a different answer, let us know or just put it whatever you want.
Okay. United States and Korea are compared. What did we put for this? Test. Oh, this might be individual. Independent. T-test.
For 2, we put 2 proportions. Yeah.
Well, you want to determine education level.
Sorry, I wasn't telling you. You were
Isn't
wrong.
this one going to be a Chi one too?
Huh.
I fully understand the chi.
Education level. So like high school, undergraduate degree, master's degree, doctoral degree, and who was successful. So it might be chi as well.
Mm.
Should we go with that? Makes more sense.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's all of them. Who wants to do it first?
I'll go and review first because I still have 15. Let's see.
I'm just gonna submit it because my brain's fried.
Yeah, that's what I'm going. Scrolling down the long thing.
So I missed 2, like 2 questions. Let's see. Which ones?
Where's the first ones?
Question 3 is not chi. And question 14 is not 0.124. But that was a great guess, and I'm happy with my score.
We tried.
Questions 3 and 14.
All right, that's not too bad, guys.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try out the 14.
Yeah.
All right.
Did anybody get question 3 right?
Number 3 was test of 2 proportions.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, stats conversation.
Okay, I'm gonna just turn this quiz off. Bye. But I'm just stopping.